Hey, welcome guys, welcome. Great to meet you. Welcome to my humble home. My name is Chris Prieto and I'm very excited for you that you're investing just 2 to 3 minutes of your time. I promise I will not waste it and I promise that it will change your financial future forever. Let's kick off today's video number 1 out of an 8-part video journey series. I'm going to keep them really short and sweet, so let's get to it. Today, what I want to talk to you guys about is let's cover the basics, the 2 most important financial objectives that all of us in this country need to meet. Okay, what are they? Objective number 1 is we need to provide for our current lifestyle and our current quality of life today. By going to work every day, we exchange our valuable time, our skills, our specialty, our life energy in exchange for money that's going to provide for our lifestyle, right? But at the same time, we also need to be preparing objective number 2, and that is with today's work and effort, we need to fund and prepare for our future lifestyle and our future selves, right? Because one day, you're not going to want to go to work anymore. You're going to get tired of working for someone else, or you're going to hit an age where you can't work. Whatever the reason is, you need to be prepared. And most people don't understand the power of assets. They don't understand assets or investments, right? An asset is money that is going to work for you so you don't have to go and work for money anymore. That's what an investment is. And most people don't understand that, right? The other problems are that most people, they're not hitting either one of those 2 objectives. Most people are not happy with their current lifestyle. They don't like the type of house they live in or the neighborhood they live in, the type of food they eat, right? So how can you expect to worry and work on tomorrow and worry about tomorrow's lifestyle if you're just trying to dig yourself out of the hole that you're in today? Right? That's where we come in. That's what we provide in the power of financial education. And we teach folks how to use and learn about the power of income shifting. Okay? Real strategies and financial education that I guarantee you never got in school. So I want to get you guys off started on the right path today. I want to know that you guys are serious so that I'm not wasting your time and you're not wasting my time, okay? And let's start that off by having you just text me. Text me at 210-418-1904. Text me the keywords 2 objectives, okay? So that I know that you saw this video and I can advance you another great set of financial education videos, get you started sooner than later. Again, text me at 210-418-1904. I will text you back personally. I'll send you a link and I'll send you those videos and we can get you guys started, guys. Remember, it's time to change your financial situation through financial education like this. Can't wait to meet you guys in person. Look for my videos tomorrow. I'm going to start sending you 1 video every day. Let's get to it, guys. This is to your future. Peace out.